Here's the new blow-off valve for the Subaru XT Outback Turbo. This is the type of blow-off valve that mounts to the intercooler. Here is the factory one, which is non-adjustable. And the problem with this is while the vehicle is accelerating, the blow-off valve is opening and leaking boost. So I'm losing power every time I push the gas pedal a little bit more than quarter throttle. I lose boost. This one's adjustable to where it will not relieve until I either let off the pedal, and that's when the boost is going to relieve. It's not going to relieve while I'm accelerating. So this blow-off valve also will sound better. We'll take it for a drive and see how it goes. It's pretty self-explanatory in how to remove and replace. You take off the 10mm bolts and you put the gasket in. Retighten the bolts after you've removed the old blow-off valve. Put the new one in with the new gasket. Put the bolts in. Hook up the vacuum line. Done. Pretty simple, straightforward. Okay. So we're going to take a little spin on it and let you hear it. Before, what you would hear when you're driving this vehicle, what you would hear is, you'd hear because the boost is escaping. Now with this new blow-off valve, I shouldn't have that problem. So we're going to take a little drive in the vehicle. Get my walking device here. Okay. Take a drive in the vehicle. See how this new blow-off valve works. Okay. Let's go for a spin. Now, if the blow-off valve has a leak, it'll hiss. Sometimes those happen with blow-off valves. They get hisses. Well, let's check it out. All right. Take it for a little drive. Let's go for a spin. If it does relieve boost while I'm accelerating, then all I have to do is tighten the blow-off valve adjustment until it doesn't relieve boost until you let off the pedal. So let's test this out. Here we go. Well, it seems to accelerate better. No leaking boost. The blow-off valve relieves. Pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. All right. Boost is holding and everything. Very good. blow-off valve was a good deal. I found it on eBay for about $65, and it fits perfectly to the Outback XT Turbo. It's adjustable. You can move it around to install it and line up the bolts, and it drives really nice. Now I'll do one more little pull, and yeah, one more little pull, and let's see how the boost does. I don't hear any boost leaking or relieving until the pedals let off, so let's check it out. Here we go. Pretty good, not bad. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.